Hello everyone. Today's topic of discussion is, should anonymity be allowed on the internet? We live in a time where fake news, trolls, and cyberbullying by anonymous users has become a common phenomenon. This resulted in discussions on whether anonymity should continue to be allowed on the internet. Now, there are both arguments for and against whether anonymity should be allowed on the internet or not. First of all, we will be discussing with the statement, yes, anonymity should be allowed on the internet. So, not everyone can freely express their opinion. If they do so, they may face threats or bullying. Anonymity helps them to express their views without compromising their safety and sanity. This upholds freedom of expression and can help in the betterment of the world. Secondly, in the modern world, government surveillance is an increasing threat. To avoid becoming a victim of that, anonymity helps. So, anonymity helps people to have a right to privacy. Fourthly speaking, the concept of anonymity is not new to our society. Since many years, several writers have opted to be anonymous to avoid judgment from their community and society. Again, being anonymous on the internet helps in protecting ourselves from cyberbullying and cybercriminals. So, removing the option of anonymity exposes everyone to these negative side of the internet. For introverts, anonymity is helpful to express their opinion freely in the online platform. Some people who have fame want to live their life without being followed everywhere. In real life, they can't go to some places to protect themselves from paparazzi. But on the internet, they can choose to be anonymous. So, anonymity is very important for the celebrities. Lastly, anonymity helps in avoiding the judgment of others. For example, now anyone can ask their doubt and solve others' doubt using Quora, Reddit, etc. People can ask questions that they can't ask anyone in real life, which is very helpful for many. Now, going against the statement, no, anonymity should not be allowed on the internet because using the option of anonymity, several people are harassing others in online platforms. People behave differently in online space and in real life. This is called as online disinhibition effect. Aggressive comments and threats to those whose opinion differ have become very common. Secondly, every political parties are misusing the option of anonymity to defame the people of other parties. Politically motivated hatred comments are now a common thing. Cyberbullying is a growing threat, and the main reason for this is the option of anonymity. Lastly, anonymity is being used to write negative reviews for the competitors' companies too. Coming to conclusion, anonymity on the internet has a lot of advantages and disadvantages too. But anonymity is important at least until everyone in the world is capable of freely expressing their opinions. To reduce the negative consequences of allowing anonymity on the internet, awareness programs on responsibility and morals will be helpful to some extent. Children should be taught about internet ethics through schools. Moreover, punishing those who misuse anonymity to harass others will act as a deterrent against such behavior. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this.